Welcome to the market update. The Australian share market rose for a second day as US-China trade tensions eased and Chinese trade data beat expectations. We're seeing the Aussie dollar rising after RBA Governor Philip Lowe's opening statement to Parliament. Dr. Lowe said, "There are signs the economy may have reached a gentle turning point, and there are certain downsides from relying too much on monetary policy." The Aussie dollar rose from US 67.96 cents to US 68.16 cents on these comments, after hitting an early low after the US said it will hold off on Hawaii licenses as China halts crop buying. Citi have stated that Australian shoppers could be experiencing collectibles fatigue as Kohls and Woolies flood the market with their toys. They forecast that Kohls will report its first quarter of negative like-for-like store sales in 12 years, tipping a 0.4% fall for the first quarter of fiscal 2020. Around 400,000 NAB customers have been sent notices from the federal court today advising that they may be eligible to be a part of a class action against the bank, brought by law firm Slater Gordon. It is alleged that NAB sold junk credit card and personal loan insurance that was of little or no value. This is one of the largest court order notices in Australian legal history. Slater and Gordon practice group leader Andrew Paul stated, "NAB knows that using pushy tactics and pressuring vulnerable customers into buying worthless insurance was wrong, but they did it anyway." Moving on, AMP has stated that they have successfully completed its institutional placement, raising $650 million. The placement was priced at $1.60 per share, representing a 6.7% premium to the underwritten floor price of $1.50. Moving to the US stocks jumped on Thursday, giving the S&P 500 its biggest one-day percentage gain in about 2 months, as better than expected economic data in the US and China helped to offset trade worries. The Dow rose 1.43%, the S&P gained 1.88%, and the Nasdaq was up 2.24%. Oil prices, which plunged into a bear market this week, put up a modest recovery in Thursday action, tracking mild gains for global stock markets as upbeat news emerged from China. I hope you have a great weekend.